Welcome to Nanashir Academy. Today we are taking animals on our planet. Animals on Earth. Carlos Linnaeus was a Swedish taxonomist who initiated the systematic classification of plants and animals. He published the first edition of his famous book Systema Nature that classified the plants and animals in 1735. He is also known as father of modern taxonomy. What is classification? Classification is the process of categorizing things on the basis of their origin, structure, and behavior. Animals on earth are divided into two categories, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates. Animals having a backbone are called as vertebrates. For example, cat, dog, elephant, lion, human being, etc. Invertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called as invertebrates. For example, snail, insect, jellyfish, starfish, earthworm, etc. Vertebrates. Vertebrates animals are divided into five categories. First mammals, second birds, third reptiles, fourth amphibian, and fifth fishes. First we are taking mammals. Mammals are warm-blooded animals with hair on their bodies. They breathe with the help of lungs, give birth to young ones, and feed them with their own milk. For example, cow, buffalo, elephant, tiger, lion, human being, etc. Main features of mammals. First one, distinguished features. The bodies of mammals are covered with hair or fur. Exceptions are whale and dolphin. Mammals have four limbs. Second feature is habitat. Mammals live in a wide range of habitats such as the cold Arctic region, rainforest, hot desert, and even in the oceans. This is possible because mammals have the ability to keep their body temperature constant. Third feature is body temperature. All mammals are warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals are the animals that are capable of maintaining a nearly constant body temperature irrespective of the temperature of the environment. Fourth feature is respiration. All mammals breathe with the help of lungs. When we inhale, air is sucked through nose and our lungs expand. And other side, when we exhale, we throw out air through nose and our lungs contract. Fifth feature is reproduction. Most of the mammals give birth to young ones and mother feed them with her own milk. They also take care of their young ones. Second is birds. Birds are warm-blooded, egg-laying, hollow-boned and winged animals. They have beaks of various shape and size. For example, peacock, sparrow, parrot, eagle, etc. Main features of birds. First one, distinguished features. Their body is covered with feathers. They have two limbs and two wings. Habitat. They live on land. They have boat-shaped body and hollow bones that help them to fly. Third feature is body temperature. Like mammals, birds are warm-blooded animals. Respiration. Birds respire through lungs. They have air sacs in their body and get filled with air and help in quick exchange of gases. Some species have 7 to 8 sacs extended from neck to back. Fifth feature is reproduction. All birds lay eggs. They incubate the eggs by sitting on them. In 4 to 5 weeks, the egg hatch and young ones appear. We call them chicks. Third is reptile. In Latin language, reptile means to creep. Reptiles are cold-blooded and egg-laying animals whose body covered with scales. For examples, alligators, crocodile, turtles, lizard, snake, etc. Main features of reptiles. First one, distinguished features. The bodies of reptiles are covered with scale or shell. They have short or no legs. Second feature is habitat. Reptiles are highly adaptable and found all over the world except to Antarctica, that is very cold. You must have seen lizard in your house or garden. Snake live in farm or forest. Turtle reside in sea and river, whereas crocodile and alligator reside in swampy areas. Third feature is body temperature. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals. They need extra energy to regulate their body temperature. In winters, reptiles hibernate to conserve their energy. During hibernation, their breathing and heartbeat slow down and their body temperature also drop. Fourth feature is respiration. Most reptiles breathe with the help of lungs. Some reptiles like turtle can also breathe through their skin. Fifth feature is reproduction. Most reptiles like tortoise, turtle, crocodile, snake, lizard, etc. lay eggs, but there are some reptiles such as chameleon and viviparous lizard, Zootoca vivipara, give birth to young ones. Fourth is amphibians. Amphibians are the animals that can live both on land and in water. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals and lie between fish and reptile. They spend time both in water and on land. Therefore, amphibians are most often found near ponds, marshland, swamps areas, etc. The example of amphibians are frog, toad, salamanders, newts, etc. Main features of amphibians. First one, distinguished features. They have moist scaleless skin that absorb water and oxygen, but that also makes them dry. Without moist conditions, their skin dries out and they die. Habitat. Most amphibians live in water, but some of amphibians like frog in later part of their life live on land. Body temperature of amphibians. Some amphibians become inactive when conditions are unfavorable for survival. This period of inactivity is called estivation. It occurs during hot and dry weather. Fourth feature is respiration. Most amphibians breathe through gills, whereas some amphibians breathe through gill in their initial stage of their life and through lungs and moist skin in later stage. Fourth feature is reproduction. Most amphibians lay egg, but some amphibians like salamander live out their entire life on land and give birth to young ones. Fifth is fishes. Fishes are cold-blooded animals that live in water and their body is covered with scale. For example, salmon fish, stingfish, sunfish, and shark. Main feature of fishes. First one, distinguished features. Their body is covered with scales. They have fins. Habitats. They live in water. Their body is divisible into head, trunk, and tail. Neck is absent. It has a spindle-shaped body. It is helpful in swimming. Third feature is body temperature. Fishes are cold-blooded and aquatic animals. Fourth feature is respiration. Fishes respire through gills that are located on the sides of their mouth. As water passes over the gills, oxygen is absorbed by the blood. Fifth feature is reproduction. All fishes lay eggs. Young ones hatch out of eggs as larvae that feed on small aquatic plants and gradually develop in fishes. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Bye-bye.